We obtain multiple offers from jet operators, so you receive competitive pricing on every trip. Blue Star Jet's Sky Card has no membership fees, acquisition costs, monthly maintenance fees or contract payments. You only pay for the time you fly. Blue Star Jets rated #1 in customer service by the Luxury Institute from 2005 to 2007. Log in to www.bluestarjets.com or call 866-JET-TIME to begin your travels. Blue is the new black. With Blue Star Jets, flying privately has never been easier. Blue Star Jets loves Las Vegas.